In today's tutorial, we will learn how to draft a 6-panel dress. Mark half the shoulder measurement, rule the chest line, rule the bust span line, the under bust line, then rule the back half length and that of the front. Mark the waist to hip line and rule a line across. Label the pattern. This is the back half length and the front half length. The dress length is 45 inches. Place the difference between the front and back half length at the hem. Mark the neckline as 3 inches by 3 inches for the front and 3 inches by 1 inch for the back. Slope the shoulder by 1 inch and ½ inch. Connect the necklines and the shoulder slope. Mark the mid-shoulder slope. Mark the bust span from the chest line. Go in by ½ inch at the back and 0.75 inch at the front. Mark 1/4 of the bust and waist circumference. At the back half length, come in by 1 inch. Then connect a new center back line. Connect the armhole as shown, then connect the side shape. From the new center back line, mark the quarter of the circumferences. Add 1 inch seam allowance on the half length. Mark quarter of the hip circumference. Next, you are to mark the bust span. The dart length stops at 6.5 inches. Connect the dart line. For the back, mark the darts from the initial center back line. Then draw the dart line. Open up the dart by 0.5 inch. Then connect the dart legs. Next, connect from the bust point to the shoulder. Open the shoulder dart by 2 inches and expand the shoulder by the same 2 inches. Then draw a new armhole. Contour the under bust 3 inches on the center front, 1.25 inches on the side front. Then draw slight curves to the bust point. On the side front, give a 0.5 inch gap to avoid sharp points. Then go ahead to complete the dart connections. Replace all dart intakes and reconnect the side lines. The bust span is placed at the hem of the front and back block. Then extend the dart line. Place the hip measurement at the hem and connect the points. Divide the back shoulder slope and connect to the darts. Labeling here the center back and side back. Place the difference of 2 inches between the front and back half length from the bust span line and then connect to the bust point. Go ahead to cut the pattern. Close the bust dart and blend the misaligned points. See the sides of the front and back block matching up nicely. In the next video, we will be transferring the pattern to fabric. If this video was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.